on to Merlin. 4149. Here we go. These are the 33 potential teams that can hit 5 times. Let's do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Top team is the AFC Ajax. Bottom team is Man United. Jeez, Pay's getting late. 5 times. Get rid of the randomizer. Drop it in exactly where you picked up your spots. Good luck to everybody. Oh, AP. He's been complaining all this time. He bought the last spot. Oh, come off it. I hope so. Thank you, Marianne. I hope I'm good to go tomorrow. All right, here we go. 4149. AP, complainers he bought in 10 years ago. Here we go. Dest, rookie of Trubin, rookie of Perrin, and gee willikers. What is that, number 2? To 150, Daniel Maldini for ACM. AC Milan, of course. Very nice. Rookie midfielder, Daniel Maldini. Nice card. Some of these designs are really, really nice. Like the rose gold and whatnot. Gravenberch, rookie for Ajax. Torres. Rookie of the Rangers, Tavernier. Rangers FC. And then the refractor of Malang Sarr for FC Porto. Is Rangers a team? They're actually called just Rangers. They better be. Yep, they are. Spot 2. Yishon Huang. Congratulations. All right. Benzema, Harry Kane, Dybala for Juventus. Under 23 of Nicolo Zaniolo. Refractor. That's for Roma. Well, there's a big congratulations coming up. Conrad de la Fuente, rookie for Barcelona. Harvey Barnes. Timo Werner. And Ferran Torres for Man City. Auto. Base card autograph variation of Ferran Torres. Very nice. Congratulations, Man City. Yusufa Makoko, rookie. Lucas Perrin. Haidara for RB Leipzig. Tonali refractor for AC Milan. Alrighty. Maldini rookie. Mbappe base. Jean-Claude Ntenda for Juventus. And for FC Barcelona, Ageless Alchemy of Lionel Messi. Get used to those Barcelona cards. Oh, Tabby, this Merlin stuff is so hard to open.
Really?
Yep. Sailmakers, Xavi Simons, Gabriel. Jeremy Doku, refractor for State Renat. Not the guy you're looking for, but
He's still good, though.
He's still good?
Yeah.
Big Doki. Yes, of course. Makoko. That's pretty much one of the guys you're looking for. Roberto Lopez. Noah Okafor. The Thomas Party. Refractor of Dybala for Juventus. You out?
I gotta go.
You okay take in or?
Yeah, I better do it.
Thank you. Thank you for your help with Bentley.
That's alright. He's good fun, but
God, he's annoying. Kenneth Taylor, he is. Charles de Calera. He screams for no reason. Nicolo Zanolo. And Saka, under 23. Where's Maggie? Saka D's.
I'll see you tomorrow, man.
See you tomorrow. Unnumbered for Arsenal. What?
Easy one tomorrow.
Really? What do you got? Oh, fun. By Eric Garcia, Koulibaly, Tanganga. Thomas Partey, Wizards of the Pitch. It's the party tonight. Tonali, Lewandowski, Kulusevski. Refractor rookie of Kareem Adeyemi. Hey, Shannon, I've been good. How are you? Timber, Madison, Arabas, and Tino Angerin. Is that like a variant or something? Just nothing doing. Tete, Jeremy Doku, Tyler Adams. Cracked ice of Theo Hernandez for AC Milan. That is numbered 168 of 250. Messi base, nice. Haaland base, include that one as well. Brandon Williams for Man U. Kai Havertz for Chelsea, under 23. Goncalo Ramos, Curtis Jones, Barrow rookie, and Maliake. Gianluigi Donnarumma, Karim Adeyemi, Calafiori. Oh, Bellingham refractor. Bellingham. Immortal words of BT. Traore, rookie. Reina. Edouard. And a refractor, Heung-min Son for Tottenham, Wizards of the Pitch. Alfredo Morelos, rookie. Gareth Bale. Ronaldo for Juventus. And the green mojo of Tete. I think that a 99. Yes, 23.99. Tete. Dest, Okafor, Timo Werner. A under 23 of Yao Felix. Yao Felix? Any Westbrooks? I'm not sure. Kenny Taylor, Eric Garcia, Koulibaly, rookie of Intenda for Juventus. We pulled a few silvers in Prism, but probably not much more than that. Arabas, Ganga. Refractor of Anthony for AFC Ajax. Tonali, Lewandowski, Thomas Partey, and Wizards of Kevin De Bruyne for Man City. Timber, Tete, Doku. Kenneth Taylor to 250, 100 250, rookie for AFC Ajax. Oh, these are so annoying to open. Perez, Upamecano, Pellegrini. Oh, refractor auto of Lucas Leiva from SS Lazio, the midfielder. Nice card there of Lucas Leiva. Brahim Diaz, Renier Jesus, McKennie, and a refractor rookie of PSG's Xavi Simons. Someone want to let me know how the other white meat's going? Vladimos, Yao Felix, Mitchell Bakker, And our Aegis Alchemy of Lewandowski for Bayern Munich. München, as the Germans would say. Anyone want to let me know how the Playbook Plus certified break is going? Fatih, Sa, Little Billy Gilmore, and the gold rookie of Alfredo Morales. Very nice. Congratulations to the Rangers Football Club. Gold rookie. Oh. Hernandez, Torres, Ruiz. Refractor rookie. Oh, Victor Osimhen. Who's still with me? Make some noise if you're with me. James Tavernier, Aronson, suck of these. It's Alexander Isaac, under 23. Real Society of Football. The real Football Society. We ain't no fake Society of Football. You can take that, bump that. Gravenberch, Harvey Barnes, Pulisic. Gareth Bale, Wizards of the Pitch. Lockdown's pretty rough. I haven't seen my mum, like, just because of different things that we've been able to do. Haven't seen my mum in, like, 2 years nearly. Trincao, Musiala, PEA, and a refractor of Gabriel, so she's pretty rough. 7 left. Thank you, JB. Onana, Antonio, Camavinga. And under 23, Gianluigi Donnarumma. The last time I saw my mum was literally the morning it came. It was a holiday weekend in January, the weekend Kobe passed away. That's how long it's been since I saw my mum. Makoko, Benzema, Harry Kane. Refractor of Odysseus Chodomos. And it roughs her up, that's for sure. De La Fuente, Haidara, Martinelli. Green, Amadou Haidara, rookie, numbered 87 and 99. So the flat green and the Mojo green, both to 99. Maldini, Trubin, Perrin, Dybala. Craziest thing is my brother's in St. Clair, and that is it. No. She's up. I'm in Melbourne. Ketelere, Lopez, Mbappe. Refractor of Dest. Couple to go. Still breaking. There's still actually 2 breaks after this to go. So fingers crossed we can get these done. This Merlin's quite nice. The most unfriendly to open packs of all time though. They can go and get stuffed. Onana, Tielemans, Little Billy Gilmore. Refractor of Harvey Barnes. Antonio, Perez, Upamecano, and nice, Mason Greenwood, under 23. There's been a couple like this one. Nothing numbered yet. I think there's been a few refractors as well. Diaz, Yao Felix, Baka, and Saka. Fatih, Jesus, Renier Jesus, Pulisic. Refractor, nice, of Camavinga for Stade Rennes. Renee? Oh, God, I can never remember how to Renee. Renaissance, maybe. Vlochimos, Ruiz, Marling Sarr, and a refractor, Wizards of the Pitch, sorry, wrong thing. Robert Lewandowski. Well, yeah, that's it. Like, WA's done it very well. With a bit of good management, a bit of good luck as well. That's all you need. For Arsenal, Gabriel Martinelli. And for RB Leipzig, RB Central Red Bull, Amadou Hadara. That is numbered 33 of 109. Pedri rookie. Thank you. Listen, it's a lot of fun. Being able to yell into the void is a lot of fun. Alfonso Davies. Eduardo Mendy. Bit of magic. And Aegis Alchemy of PEA for Arsenal. I appreciate that, Shannon. Thank you so much. Jens Peter Haug. Jude Bellingham. Duje Kaletica for Olympique de Marseille. And Theo Hernandez, purple for AC Milan. There's 2 NFL breaks and then a baseball break if it feels it'll go tonight. Baronetia, rookie. Neymar Jr. Alejandro Marquez. And Refractor of Saka. Where's Maggie? Saka D's. Griezmann, Dodo, rookie, extinct. PA, and under 23s of Harvey Barnes. Donnarumma, Ramos, Eduard. Refractor, rookie of Sergio Arribas for Real Madrid. Boo. Alfredo Morelas, Karim Adeyemi, Ricardo Cagliafiori, and under 23s of Mason Mount. Yes, definitely turned into a late night. An entire hour of M break will do that to you. Lassina Traore, Reina, Ronaldo base, and a cracked eye. Sorry, I don't know what they called. Sparkles, glass. For Bayern Munich, Malik Tillman to 150, 49 to 1 film it. 150 for Bayern München. Yes, a certified 2-boxer, and then the playbook. You got to get that playbook one full. Noah Lang rookie. Victor Osimhen, Vieira. And a Wizards of the Pitch, Neymar Jr. So yeah, 2 certified. Speckle is what it's called. Hey Maggie, view my speckle. Anthony, Heung-min Son. Lorenzo Pellegrini. A refractor of Ricardo Calafiori for Roma. Very nice. Come on. Separate, you bastard. Trincao rookie, KDB. Nico Williams for Liverpool. And a green for AC Milan and Brahim Diaz. Jeez, AC Milan's the one to get. The Mac Green, numbered 62 of 99. Brahim Diaz rookie. All right. Camavinga rookie. Musiala. Jeez, that's nice. It looks like the red wave from Prism. Is it numbered? Musiala. Weston McKennie. And nice. Koulibaly, red wave to 5. Wow. That's very nice. Kalidou Koulibaly, 3 of 5. I saw that and was like, oh, red wave. If it's like anything like Prism, it would be unnumbered. But that's very nice. Congratulations to SSC Napoli. Shark in the water. That'd be me. Fofana. Taking a dog named Bentley to work is not a good idea. Vinicius. Gareth Bale. Refractor from Leicester City's Wesley Fofana. Alrighty. Final box gives us something. Let's see what it is. So we've had a super short print to just 5. Fortunately, not a guy many people are probably looking for, I wouldn't think. But 18 packs to go. Let's see if we can snag something else beautiful. Bellingham, Vinicius Jr., Alphonso Davies. Giovanni Reina for Borussia Dortmund, under 23 refractor. Well, that's what I want. I want a superfractor. Jens Peter Haug, Neymar Jr., Alejandro Marquez, and the Mojo auto for PSG of Danilo. Numbered 80 of 99, Danilo for PSG. Griezmann, Dodo, Duje Kaleta. Refractor for AC Milan's Alexis Sailmakers. Andre Baronettia, Fabio Vieira, PEA. And Refractor, Ageless Alchemy of Alejandro Del Piero. Anthony, Noah Lang, Pellegrini. And a purple of Timo Werner for Chelsea, numbered to just 299. Couple of nice cards popping up late. Let's keep it going. De Bruyne, Osimhen, Heung-min Son. Refractor of Makoko for Borussia Dortmund. Congratulations to the BVB. Borussia Dortmund, very nice. Camavinga rookie, Upper Meccano, Little Billy Gilmore. And a refractor of Nehuén Perez for Granada. Still a few of these logos I don't recognize 100% just yet. That one kind of looks like an alcohol glass, so it's like a Granada. Brahim Diaz. I'll write that out. Antonio. Mitchell Bakker. And Arsenal's Saka. Fati Party. Renier Jesus. Perez. And rookie of Tino Anjorin for Chelsea FC. Very nice. Numbered 17 of 150. Felix, Sa, Pulisic. Refractor of Brendan Aronson for FC Salzburg. I believe also sponsored by Red Bull. Oh, well, obviously, he's got a big Red Bull on him. Hernandez, Latunas, Gabriel Martinelli, and a refractor under 23s of Dejan Kulusevski. Yeah, I was just thinking that. I thought United would be a bit better, but it is not. Ferran Torres, Fabian Ruiz. Hey, Eric, how are you, buddy? And for Tottenham, Jafet Tanganga, numbered 5 of 25. Some short prints just raining down. Gravenberch, Aronson, Dybala. Refractor for AFC Ajax, Jurien Timber. Hoomst be that. Tanganga. Trincao rookie. Musiala rookie. A Weston McKennie. And under 23 refractor of Alphonso Davies for AFC Ajax. Is that who it is? Bayern München, close. Again, not all the way there yet. Pedri rookie. Fofana rookie. Mendy. And a refractor of Christian Pulisic. 3 packs to go of Merlin. De La Fuente. Harvey Barnes. James Tavernier. And Wizards of the Pitch, Lionel Messi. He is the Merlin. 2 packs to go. Makoko rookie, Benzema, Harry Kane, Paulo Dybala, and the final pack. I'm not even going to show the back of it. Onana, Yuri Tillmans, Nico Williams for Liverpool, and a refractor, Wizards of the Pitch, Paul Pogba for Man U. And that is that for Merlin 4149.